If your OxyQ7 displays a Change Sieve Beds message, there's no need to worry. Your concentrator is still operating properly. This message is simply letting you know that the sieve beds are nearing the end of their service life and should be replaced within the next 30 days. To order replacement sieve columns, contact our service department at 1-866-696-9558. We'll make sure your replacements arrive in plenty of time so there's no interruption in your oxygen therapy. Replacing the sieve beds is quick and easy and no tools are required. First, power off your concentrator and remove the battery. Allow the unit to sit undisturbed for about 15 minutes. This gives any internal pressure time to release, making the sieve columns easier to remove. Each sieve column features a built-in handle. Simply lift the handle and pull the column straight out of the concentrator. Your replacement columns will arrive with protective caps covering the connector ports. Leave these protectors in place until you're ready to install the new columns. When ready, remove and discard all 4 protectors. To install the new column, align the bottom 2 tabs of the connection ports inside the concentrator. Push gently until the column sits flush with the bottom of the unit and clicks smoothly into place. The column should slide in easily. Never force it. Once the new column is securely installed, reinsert your battery. Your concentrator is now ready to use as normal. If you have any questions or need assistance, our service team is happy to help at 1-866-696-9558.